we choose our approach here. And the best thing, I think, would be to factor out as much as we could. I can see that a 3 would come out of 108. And I'm thinking probably a 4 as well. So let's take a 4 out, and also an x squared. So let's start with that and see what's left. Oops, I said I was going to take out an x squared, and then I didn't. X squared. So that leaves behind an 8 x to the third minus, what is that, 27? Oh, okay, so this is digging deep now. I hope you remember that we have these formulas in our notes that you should have access to. If you don't have this written down somewhere that you can get a hold of it, you're going to need it. So I would write this down somewhere. A to the third minus b to the third, that's equal to a minus b times a squared plus, if I start with a negative, I start with a negative, but then the middle term is positive. If it's the other way around, if it's positive first, then I go positive first, and the one I have, let me write it like this. If this is positive, then this is positive, and this is negative. So everything's reversed if it's the other way. But anyway, this is negative, so now when I get here, I just multiply the a and the b together, and I say plus b squared. Okay, so this is exactly the same for both, except that these signs switch if it's positive out here. Okay, so now using that pattern, what's a? Well, a is 2x. Okay, so a is equal to 2x, and what's b? Well, the third root of 27 is 3. So I should just be able to fill this in. 2x minus b, and then a squared. What's a squared? That's 4x squared, right? And then a times b, that's 6x. And then plus b squared, that's 3 times 3 is 9. Oh, and don't forget about this out in front, so let me write it one more time. 4x squared times 2x minus 3. Uh-oh, I think I have one more step after this, because this looks kind of... Do I? No, I guess not. Okay, sorry, I thought I did. For a minute, I was thinking I could say 2x plus 3 and 2x minus or something plus 3. But that would get me a middle term of 12. And that's no good. I can't have that. So I should have known that it wouldn't work anyway. But for a minute there, my brain wanted that to happen. But I'm always alert to the fact that I might not have factored completely. But that is factored completely. And that's good. I will only have 2 real roots, when x is equal to 0 and when x is equal to 3 over 2. But that's not what they ask for. So